Welcome to our channel guys, ChandraAwesome. Today I'm going to teach you about how the assembly mates works and how to use in assembly. Okay, let's adjust a little two parts in an assembly mate as is shown. And before that, please subscribe and like our channel guys. Okay, first of all, select the fastened mate. Select each face of the two parts and select the tick mark. Then the two parts will attach each other. Where in fastened mate you cannot move the part, which means the parts do not move from each other. Just like a fixed parts together. Now come to the second mate. Like this one is slider mate. As you know, slider mate used to slide the parts from each other in Z direction. As you see, means in Z axis way. The book you can see that clearly the axis is visible. That is called. Coming to the cylinder mate, this is also same as slider mate, but it will rotate and also translate in Z direction. Just like how the screw works. And coming to the Revolute mate, Revolute is used to just rotate the part in its fixed position in 360 degrees. As you can see the animations clearly. Okay, coming to the next one, pin slot. This is also same like cylinder mate guys, but it will move in X direction rather than in Y direction. In cylinder mate it moves in Z direction. In pin slot it moves in X direction. As you see the animation clearly. Coming to the planar mate. Planar mate is used to only move in this planar, in this plane cylinder. Not move while playing for that game. Let me show the animation again. It will move X, Y and Z direction on. This is how the plan works. See the difference of this and X and Y directions are possible. It is moving to the circle edge direction. This is the message. Thank you.